give myself away.
Hello friends, this is Phumlani. Thank you very much for viewing my YouTube channel. I really appreciate what you're doing. I'm about to go to church, but before I go, I have this word for you. If you read the book of Deuteronomy 1 verse 6, the Lord our God said to us at Horeb, "You have stayed long enough at this mountain. Break camp and advance into the hill country of Amorite." We find the Israelites ayisentabeni yaseHoreb, ithi iBhayibheli ayisehlala isikhathi eside entabeni yaseHoreb, ayisejwayele aze ayibona ese-comfortable in the mountain of Horeb. Ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje, before we even go, kade uhleli la ohleli khona, but uNkulunkulu uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi manje umuvele kwenye dimension. Kade uhleli isikhathi eside uze waku-enjoya ukuba la ohleli khona, but khona into uNkulunkulu akakuhlelele ukuthi akwenzele yona. Ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje it is time to move on. It is time to take over. It is time to take a step forward. Kade uthandaza ngendlela othandaza ngayo, kodwa namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi wena ake ushintshe indlela othandaza ngayo. Ake uthi kuya kancane ekujuleni. Indlela obunikela ngayo iyafana kusukela unyaka uqalile, kodwa ngithi namhlanje ake ushintshe indlela obuwenza ngayo izinto. It is time for the new things. Ake uqale ushintshe indlela owenza ngayo izinto, ushintshe indlela okhuluma ngayo, ishintshe indlela ocabanga. Lithi iBhayibheli, you must have the mind of Christ. Uthi the attitude that was in Christ must be in us. Ngamanye amagama, lokhu nangendlela uKristu ayicabanga ngayo nathi kumele sicabange kanjalo. Ngifuna ukuthi ke namhlanje kade ukhala isikhathi eside, kade ulila isikhathi eside, kade ufuna izinto zingenzeki isikhathi eside, ake ushintshe indlela ohleli ngayo, ake ushintshe indaba noma indlela okhuluma ngayo. Ngifuna ukuthi mina isimo sakho sizoshintsha uma kuphela ushintsha ukucabanga kwakho. Isimo sakho sizoshintsha kuphela uma ushintsha ukukhuluma kwakho. Uma ukhuluma ukwahluleka, isimo sakho ngeke size sishintshe. Kodwa ke uthi ke namhlanje uNkulunkulu kuIsrael, you have stayed for too long in this mountain. It is time to move over. Ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje make a decision in your life. But you will no longer stay in that position. You will no longer speak like that. You will no longer pray ngendlela ubuthandaza ngayo last week, but change your prayer, change your words, change into okhuluma ngayo, shintsha nokukhuluma kwakho. It is time to move over. Ake usuke endleleni obuke ne-faith ngayo last year, ake ube ne-faith ethe ukuthi to do this time around. Change your thinking, change indlela okhuluma ngayo, and you will see great miracles in your life. You will see God doing wonders in your life. It is time to move over. Khohlwa abantu abakulimazile last week, inkinga yakho, you are focusing much kubantu abakulimazile izolo. But manje you have to forgive those people and move over. Ngoba you cannot move over usahlele bitterness yayizolo. You cannot move over usasele nama-grudges ayizolo. Ama-grudges will hold you back. Ukungaxoleli will hold you back. Ukukhuluma ngabanye abantu will hold you back. Ukuhleba abanye abantu will hold you back. Ungabathanda abanye abantu will hold you back. Ukuba nomona uma ubona abanye abantu besucceed, that will hold you back. Kodwa ufuna ukuthi namhlanje move over. It is time to take a step forward. Move away from ama-grudges ayizolo. Move away from ukuba nomona wayizolo. Move away from ukukhuluma ngabanye abantu. Move away from undermining abanye abantu. Start appreciating God and start thanking God for what is happening in your life. Ngoba lokho kwenzakala empilweni yakho kungcono kunalokho bekwenzeka izolo, and God is about to set izinto ezinkulu empilweni yakho. La ohleli khona, it's not the destiny that God planned for your life, but there is more that God has planned for your life. So namhlanje I am challenging you, my friend. Take a step forward, take a leap of faith, and see what God will do in your life. I hope you'll have a good day. God bless you. I pray bigger grace, mega grace, and great grace. It's mega grace. God bless you, and I love you.